Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Monday, October 15th. Stocks finish out a tough week of profit-taking sales with another day in the red on Friday. After a push through the 1425 August high support, the mini S&P finished down 7 points at 1421.5. The S&P cash lost more than 2% on the week with only one up day in the 5-day sessions. The Dow futures finished near unchanged at 13,250 with nearly a 300-point loss over that 5-day period. Blue chips closed Friday at 13,245 with 40% of the Dow components to report this week for busy earnings schedule ahead. The September 11th lows at 13,020 is a support, 13,200 is a support to watch. The E-mini Nasdaq finished down 3 points to 2710 with a 3% loss on the week. These levels have not been seen since the beginning of August before the last leg up in these stock indexes. Crude oil lost 32 cents Friday but did close the week up $2 at 92.10 a barrel. Higher lows and higher highs in the previous week signal a possible bottom support base at 87.80 and 93.84 with the September 21st highs as the resistance up above. December bond futures were up 12 ticks to close the week at 149.20 with a bounce from the critical halfway support at 147.5 holding strong on Wednesday. We saw the gold market gold down on Friday here. Gold futures lost $11 to close at 1760 even though the euro currency was up 27 points at 12,965 as the dollar dropped and declined 11 points to close at 79.75. Silver lost 41 cents Friday to finish at 33.67, which was below the $34 support for the week. After a tough week of asset selling, where do the markets stand this Monday morning to start the day and to begin a new week? Well, the euro currency shook off heavy losses overnight to climb back positive, up 18 points to just under 130. The 90-point reversal sets up a possible attack on last week's resistance highs as the dollar index has dropped down to 79.68. Crude oil is off 18 cents this morning at 92.10, with last week's highs above 93.50 and a weekly low at 89 to keep an eye on for the energy markets. Gold is down $11 at 17.49, with silver down 37 cents at 33.30 after breaking below that 34 support that we talked about. So as we get started on this Monday morning, the E-mini S&P is up 7 at 1428. The Dow futures are up 46 points right now as the Nasdaq futures are up 17.5% at 27.27 after a tough week of unwinding sales with an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the action this Monday morning, things look a little bit positive. We got the euro currency up 18 points, crude is down 20 cents, gold's 11 lower, though the dollar is lower. Stock futures are up 0.5%. With the E-mini S&P at 1428 up 7, the Dow futures at the CME Group are 46 points higher right now, right at the 13,300 level. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Tuesday morning for the Stir in the Markets to set up your trading day. And as always, from the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.